Seattle gets the franchise, a couple years out now, but how do you think it's going to play out for Seattle? They have it tough in the regards that nobody's going to do it better than Vegas, really. I mean, they got to the Stanley Cup final. What do you think the challenges are for this franchise moving forward?
Well, the challenges are that, for the most part, you plan on starting the year with guys that teams didn't necessarily want. Now, we saw last year with Vegas, it didn't really matter, and a lot of people said it was almost unfair the way that Vegas got to pick in the expansion draft. So that's not going to change, because Seattle certainly isn't going to say, well, we're not going to get the same deal they got because we paid $150 million more than they did. $650 as opposed to $500. So I think it's still going to be amazing, because I think that city loves hockey. I think that the team's going to do great. I think the fans are going to be there. And it also is great for the Western Conference. And now there's 8 teams in each division. Before it was 8 and 7, a little bit of an issue. So Seattle, get another team in the Northwest, whether it be the Vancouver Canucks are out there, San Jose's somewhat close, but I think that there's a thriving hockey audience out there. And you've seen Everett Silvertips and WHL and Seattle Thunderbirds and all the history there with hockey. And I think the NHL is going to be great there.
If you're a member of the Arizona Coyotes, do you mind moving from the Pacific Division to the Central Division at some point or in a couple years from now?
Well, right now, I mean, the Central Division is the best division in the league. So in 3 years, maybe that's a different case. You don't know. But in terms of travel, it's going to be a little more difficult. I think that the travel's going to be a little tougher. Some more days, miles on the road, as opposed to being, most of the time in the Pacific. But still, it's not a big deal for NHL players. I think Arizona won't really mind it. I mean, especially as Jackie said, that they do bring in a lot of fans when they're playing those teams from the Central Division.
Could be good for the attendance.
Exactly. So the more fans that get in the building in Arizona, the better it is for them, and maybe this being in the Central will help that.